how to change the function of touch operation on your Sony ZV camera. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the function of your touch operation on Sony ZV-1, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whenever you touch a certain part, let's say what do you want to do with that touch, you can change the function of this touch if you just go to menu and then go to this custom operation 1. And under it you can see function of touch operation. It's set to touch focus. Mine was set to touch tracking, which I don't really use, but I want it to focus, so whenever I touch it I just change it to touch focus, or you can change it to touch shutter. That way next time whenever I select a certain thing in a video while I'm recording or doing something like that, I'll be able to simply change the function of the touch. This way I'll be able to go ahead and then change the function of touch operation on Sony ZV-1. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.